Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with a Z7 Ultra smartwatch, and on this video we are going to pair it with its support app. So this smartwatch is using the Lefun support app that is available on Android and iOS. As you can see here, we have the QR code of the Lefun application. So let's install it on our Android smartphone. We do have it here, and pair or connect our Z7 Ultra smartwatch. It will be our first time to pair this wearable with the Lefun application. Although we paired other smartwatches with the Lefun app, but for this Z7 it will be our first. Okay, so we'll see if there are some issues that we will encounter while pairing it with our smartphone. Okay, by the way, I am using the Samsung smartphone. Hopefully there will be no issues. So if you have any questions regarding the pairing, if you are interested to see whether the smartwatch is stable or has a stable connection with the Lefun application on the Android smartphone, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start. Here on the user manual, we have the QR code. I haven't checked if there's a QR code here. I don't remember it. But anyway, let's check if there's a QR code for the support app here on the smartwatch. We have the style, the lookup, capture. Okay, we have it here. Okay, I guess this is the QR code for the Lefun application. But in our case, we already know the name of the app. So let's go to the Google Play Store. Let's search Lefun app. Okay, so let's see, do they have the same logo? Do we have a logo here? Yes, we do have the same logo. It says here Lefun Health. I don't see any other Lefun applications. We have here Lefun Wear. Okay, so based on what I remember, I think this is the Lefun application. So we have 10 million plus downloads. Okay, let's install the app. So 77.12 MB. So let's wait for it to finish installing. Let's check about the app. So Lefun Health needs to be used with smart bracelet. What version do we have here? 2.1.71. Okay, it was updated this month, September 14. And seems like we do have a mix, I think, review for this one. We'll see. Lefun Health. So 5%. Let's wait. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, we are 100% now, and it is installing the application. So let's wait for it to finish installing. So verified here by Play Protect, and let me show you the ratings here. So it is a mixed ratings, but more on a positive side here. 4.7. Okay, so we're done, as you can see here. So let's open the application. As you can see here, we did not activate the Bluetooth, okay, as well as our GPS. Okay, it's not yet activated. Let's see if it will ask for permissions. So open the app. So we have here Lefun Health. So this is the user agreement and privacy statement. Okay, agree. Camera, location information. So we have here the permissions: camera, the GPS phone book, I think, and the address book. So I see. Okay, so we have here some details about the app. We'll skip it. Monitor your weekly exercise status. I see. Okay, on the bottom part, we have the home, sports device, and your profile. So tap on the device section. So let's bind our smartwatch. We don't have it here, as you can see. So to bind device, let's tap on this one. Add device. Let's have the classic way. Or the password login. Unregistered account is automatically logged in after verification. Okay, we'll use our other login methods here. So you need to create an account. We don't have a skip section here. So you either input your email address or use the Google login. We'll use this one, a third-party login. Okay, as you can see here, it is logging in. Okay, so we use our email here, smartwatchspecifications@gmail.com. Continue as smart. Okay, signing in. And I think we are already signed in. Okay, bind account. Password binding. So we still need this one. Okay, I thought we already successfully logged in. Unregistered account is automatically logged in. So let's type our email. So what's the use of using that one? Third-party login if you still have to add this. Then next. Okay, so we still have to open our email and check for our verification. So we'll get back to you when we get the verification code. Okay, finally we are already logged in. We already have an account to the Lefun application. So let's go back again and add our smartwatch. So we have scan a device, permission, usage instructions. So this is a location permission, no. Then while using the app. So allow Lefun Health to find, connect to, and determine the relative position. So we will allow it. Okay, open GPS. Activate this. Go back. Plus sign again. A device. Lefun Health is asking to turn on Bluetooth. We'll allow it. Okay, then go back. Add device. And it's now looking for our smartwatch. So we have here watch 7. Okay, is this our smartwatch? Okay, so there's a big possibility that it is our smartwatch. What we have to make sure before adding it. So about this machine. So watch 7 D4 7E. As you can see here, we do have the same MAC address. So this is our smartwatch. Tap on it. Okay, no, this one we have to tap on the connect. Okay, Bluetooth pairing request. Allow. And then let's wait. The pairing has been completed. The device can be configured. Okay, open message notification. So we have here our notification permission for the notification permissions for the smartwatch. So we will activate it. Let's look for the Lefun Health. Okay, allow. Go back. Then let's activate. We have phone call alert. Allow Lefun Health to access your phone call logs. We'll allow it, but if you are not comfortable with it, you can disable this. In our case, we are going to test the Bluetooth call, so we are going to activate it. SMS. Allow Lefun Health to send and view SMS messages. Then we'll activate our WhatsApp application here. Facebook, Messenger, Instagram. Okay. Then go back. Wearing tips. Okay, I know. So pair for the Bluetooth call. Go to settings. Okay, we are connected. And now we are connected, as you can see here. So we have the battery life, recommended dials. Our notification has been activated, including the notification permission. Let's see if we do have a firmware upgrade. Okay, currently the latest version. Okay, so we have an ad here. Go back. Skip. So we still have to wait for this one. Okay. So there are some ads on the app. A big no for me. But anyway, you can't do anything about it. So we have here the recommended dials. Let's see, profile, set, unit, metrics. I don't see any time options for the smartwatch here. Other settings. Okay, we do have it here. 12-hour system time. Ratio wrist to wake up screen. We are connected. Alarm, find device. Let's see. Let's make it sure. Okay. We have it here. Okay, so that's it. And as you can see, we have successfully paired our smartwatch, the Z7 Ultra smartwatch, with the Lefun application. And so far, we did not encounter any issues, except that you have to sign up. There's no skip option. You have to sign up with your account. You have to use your email and get a one-time password, a one-time verification code to be able for you to connect with the support app. So that's it for the Lefun application, pairing it with the support app. Okay, so if you have, or pairing it with the smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding the pairing of the Lefun app, just drop a comment below. And if you have having any issues with the connectivity, you might comment below so we can help you. And of course, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.